Sharmishta Panoli and the controversial post. Sharmishta Panoli is a young woman. She is just 22 years old. Currently, she is a law student. She attends Symbiosis International University in Pune. Her family home is in Kolkata's Anandapur area. Panoli is not just any student, though. She has built a significant presence on social media. Many people follow her accounts daily. She interacts with thousands online. Her digital footprint is quite large for someone her age. Panoli uses platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter. On X, she has nearly 85,000 followers. She is also popular on Instagram. There, about 90,000 people follow her content. This large following gives her a powerful voice. Her posts can reach many people very quickly. Influencers like her can shape opinions. They can start conversations on various topics. This reach is a double-edged sword, however. It brings influence, but also great responsibility for one's words. The trouble began with a specific social media post. Panoli shared a video, which is now deleted. In this video, she reportedly made communal remarks. These remarks were connected to something called Operation Sindoor. She also questioned the silence of some Bollywood celebrities. She asked why they were not speaking about this operation. The content of her video was quickly seen by many. It spread rapidly across online platforms, sparking immediate and strong reactions from viewers. The reaction to her post was severe and swift. Many people online were very upset. They accused her of promoting hate speech. They said her words were creating divisions. Some users felt her remarks were dangerous. They believed such comments could incite ill will. Panoli also reportedly received threats online. The backlash was intense and widespread. It showed how quickly online content can become a major issue. This led to her deleting the post. She also issued a public apology on X. She stated her remarks were personal feelings. She said she did not intend to hurt anyone. Following the online storm, legal actions began. A formal complaint was lodged against Panoli in Kolkata. Among those who raised concerns was Waris Pathan. He is the national spokesperson for IMIM, a political party. Pathan shared Panoli's video online. He alleged that she had insulted religious sentiments. He claimed she tried to spread communal disharmony. He publicly called for her arrest. This complaint set the legal process in motion. It moved the controversy from social media to the courts. The police in Kolkata started their investigation. They sent notices to Sharmishta Panoli and her family. According to police sources, Panoli and her family allegedly decamped. This means they perhaps left their known residence. This action, or perceived lack of cooperation, escalated matters. As a result, a court in Kolkata issued an arrest warrant for her. The police then began actively searching for her. The situation was becoming more serious for the young student. Her online words had led to a significant legal challenge. On Friday, May 30th, 2025, Sharmishta Panoli was arrested. The arrest took place in Gurgaon, Haryana. This was far from her home in Kolkata. The arrest was carried out based on the warrant. It shows how law enforcement can act across state lines. Her arrest made national news. It highlighted the serious consequences of online activities. Many debated whether the arrest was justified. Others felt it was a necessary step. The arrest itself became a point of discussion. Panoli now faces several serious legal charges. A Kolkata police officer confirmed these. She has been booked under important sections of the Indian Penal Code. These include charges for promoting enmity between different groups. This likely refers to Section 153A of the IPC. She is also accused of malicious acts intended to outrage religious feelings. This points to Section 295A IPC. Further charges include intentional insult and provoking a breach of peace. This is likely Section 504 IPC. These are not minor charges. They carry significant penalties if proven. This case brings up a very important discussion. It is about the balance between two key ideas. One is freedom of speech and expression. In India, this is a fundamental right. It is given by the Constitution. It allows people to say what they think. It allows them to share their opinions freely. This freedom is very important for a democracy. It allows for debate and the exchange of ideas. However, this right is not absolute. There are certain limits to freedom of speech. The Constitution itself mentions these restrictions. Speech cannot be used to threaten public order. It cannot be against decency or morality. It cannot be used to incite an offense or violence. Panoli claimed her post expressed personal feelings, but authorities and complainants saw it as hate speech. They believed it promoted communal disharmony. Her case shows this difficult line. Where does personal opinion end and hate speech begin? This is often a complex legal question. Hate speech is a term used for offensive communication. It targets a person or a group. This targeting is based on attributes like religion, race, or origin. Hate speech often demeans or attacks these groups. It can create a hostile environment. It can even lead to violence in some cases. Many countries have laws against hate speech. These laws try to protect vulnerable groups. They also aim to maintain social harmony. The accusations against Panoli suggest her words crossed this line. They were seen as harmful to communal peace. The Information Technology Act 2000 is also relevant here. This law deals with electronic communication and cybercrimes. Since Panoli's post was a video shared online, the IT Act can apply. The Act has rules about publishing or sending offensive material. It covers messages that can cause annoyance or hatred. Social media platforms operate under this Act. Users of these platforms are also accountable. This case shows that online actions have real-world legal consequences. The IT Act provides a framework for addressing such digital offenses. Sharmishta Panoli was produced in a court in Alipur. This happened on Saturday, May 31, 2025. Her lawyers asked for bail. However, the court rejected her bail plea. She was then sent to judicial custody. Her custody is set until June 13, 2025. As she was leaving the court, Panoli made a statement. She said, "The way this harassment is being done in a democracy, this is not democracy." Her words reflect her feelings about the legal process she is facing. This part of the process is about due legal procedure. This incident holds important lessons for everyone, especially for those who use social media. Having many followers means having a loud voice. This voice can influence many people. With influence comes great responsibility. Influencers like Panoli must be careful. Their words can have a big impact. They can spread good ideas, but they can also spread harmful ones. Understanding this impact is very important. It is part of being a responsible digital citizen. This is a key takeaway for all users. It is crucial to know the legal boundaries. What can be said online? What cannot? Ignorance of the law is not an excuse. Laws like the Indian Penal Code and the IT Act exist. They set rules for online content. These rules are for everyone's safety and harm. Before posting something strong or controversial, think about its possible impact. Think about its legal implications. This caution can prevent serious trouble. This case is a reminder of that. Freedom of speech is precious, but it must be used wisely. It should not harm others or society. Social media users, especially young people, must learn this. They need to understand digital ethics. They need to know their rights and responsibilities. This case of Sharmishta Panoli serves as a stark reminder. Online actions have offline consequences. Being aware and responsible is key. This helps protect both individual freedom and social peace. It is a lesson for all who navigate the digital world today.